Good morning, everyone. Welcome to our sample presentation brought to you by IEP Television, powered by Ideal English Plus. I am Michael Obidi, your presenter. Today, I'll teach you how to pronounce two words in the right diction. The first word is spelled G-U-A-V-A. G-U-A-V-A. It has two syllables. The first syllable, gua, carries the main stress. So you say guava, guava. You don't pronounce it as gova. You say guava, guava. The second word is spelled P-A-P-A-Y-A. P-A-P-A-Y-A. It has three syllables. The second syllable, pi, carries the main stress. So you say papaya, papaya. You don't say papaya. You pronounce it correctly as papaya, papaya. Before I go, I'd like to correct one in English. Most people say Samuel is a talkative. Well, this is wrong because the word talkative is an adjective and should describe a noun. So it's better to say Samuel is a talkative boy, where talkative describes the noun boy. You can also say Samuel is talkative, taking away the article a. Thank you for learning with us today on IEP Television. For more of our video lessons for English pronunciation textbooks, kindly subscribe to IEP Television, your #1 English pronunciation channel on YouTube. Bye!